Happy New Year! This is January 1st and it's like 12:30 noon. I just had a workout. I'm ready to get into the shower. I don't know how you celebrated the New Year's, but me and Alex, we were just sitting on the couch and doing FaceTime with our family. I still didn't clean the table or the living room. I know that I haven't done an apartment tour because honestly we didn't put our print in this apartment yet. We just moved here on October 1st and we didn't make it our own. Obviously, you know, we installed, we're well in here, we feel like home, but when you move into a new apartment, you buy sort of like new furniture or new accessories. We didn't do that yet. This is the new addition in our apartment. If you know anything about aquarium, you know, it's a lot of work. We have this for about 6 weeks. We still need to add, Alex still needs to add some new fish. We don't have a lot right now. We're waiting a little bit for the environment to be adequate for a lot more fish. This is where we were dancing and partying last night. This is my filming room. This is the main light that I use. This is a recent thing. We just changed the light. All my makeup in there. So I'm gonna go get ready and hopefully I will find magazines because I want to do my vision board. And vision board is something that I have never created. However, I would always have like a little list with things that I want to accomplish in that particular year. And I usually do this beginning of January or late December. And recently I was listening to Marianna Hewitt's podcast. I love her so much. She's one of the few people online that I follow like religiously, and she's also petite and I follow for her style as well, but also for her advices about business and life and organization. She's also a Libra, and now she recently started to do these podcasts, and one of the podcasts that she has right now is about how to create a vision board, and that is something that I've seen her doing, and I was like, I should do that. Now, for those of you who don't know, a vision board is usually something that will help you visualize your dreams for a particular period of time. You just need one of these foam boards, and basically all you have to do is just have images that would reflect what you want. All I need now are a bunch of magazines, and I'm gonna rip the pages off with things that are, you know, reflecting my dreams and the things that I want to accomplish in 2021. All right, I'm back and I'm gonna film in front of my window. I don't have a lot of light in this room, but I thought I should just change up a little bit because you guys see me doing my makeup in the artificial light, in that light behind me. So now you're gonna see me as if you were basically in front of me, I guess. This is my skin, no filter, no adjustments, nothing. As you can see, I have a little bit of pigmentation in here and a little bit in here, but other than that, I'm so happy with how the skin looks. I'll go straight into concealer. Lately, it's been the only thing that I was using. Concealer, pretty much that's it. Look at these two fingers. I'm always having gel nail polish. These two just didn't last. You know what? I'm gonna put everything I'm using down below in the description box because I don't want this to be like a makeup tutorial, okay? Just wanna be with you like friends do. What did you guys do for New Year's? Did you dress up? Did you do your makeup? Be honest with me. If it wasn't for, probably if I didn't have the job that I do, I would have probably not applied any makeup on, but the things we do for pictures. Some Huda Beauty bronzer in light. This brush is from Sigma, but it was part of a set that I got when I was in the US at Ulta. It's great to get this on bare skin. And because I have nothing under, right, I can like, if I wanted, because you're not gonna disturb anything under. Now I'm gonna apply some foundation, the Sephora brush. And I do one pump of foundation. I literally just bought this. I cannot tell you how I adore this foundation. This is unbelievable. And I finished the whole bottle in 2020. And then on top of that drop, I will put just one drop of this Tom Ford Glow Drops. I like to mix this whenever I want a very, very glowy, very luminous base. Now apply it everywhere. On top of the bronzer. The one from Huda Beauty. What happens is that you still have a little bit of that bronzer, but it will be so, so very natural looking. You can see how super glowy this foundation is. I'm gonna powder Laura Mercier. I usually put the powder in the cap. Laura Mercier blush in Strawberry. Love this color so, so much. Precision powder brush from Kat Von D. Always in the video it looks like I'm not applying enough, when in real, you know, you have like doll. I'm gonna meet some friends. I haven't seen them in so long. They're gonna come to our place in about 2 hours. Taking my foundation brush, if my hand was too heavy and I applied too much blush, I always like to do this. I'm gonna use a brow pencil for today. This is Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in soft brown. It's so very thin. And the colors, the color option for Anastasia, they're just amazing. Now, since my hair got a little bit lighter, I can pull off soft brown, which is what I'm using right now. But if I want a color that matches my eyebrows like perfectly, a little grayish, then I would go for medium brown. Glossier Brow Flake. Now this guy, the Glow Drops, I will use it as highlighter. I don't know if you could tell, it has this very, very natural, beautiful glow. This is one of my favorite palettes for everyday. With a pencil brush, it gives you a very beautiful smoky eye. Just a little bit of shadow in there, you know, at the base of the lashes. And then with the eyeshadow, I create this little shape that will make my eyes look a bit more elongated. Moving on with mascara. This is the Sweed Lash Pro Lash Lift Mascara. I adore this mascara. Recently received the holiday collection of lipsticks from NARS. They're not new colors, they're their iconic colors, but I wanted to show you. In case you don't know these, I think it's Audrey, Barbara, and Anita. Yes, Audrey, this one right here, iconic color from NARS. This is Barbara, beautiful. As you can see, this one I showed love already. And this is Anita. Anita is a little bit more on the pink side. I think I'm gonna use Anita. Now I'm using the MAC Spice. Goes well with the blush. I hope I still get the time to at least go get the magazines today. I don't know what I was thinking, why I didn't get the magazines already. Anyway, it doesn't matter, it's too late. What's done, it's done. Focus on the present. Don't want to change, but I have to. Because when you are living in Paris, you can't go out like this. People think that you're out in your pajama. My mirror is so dirty. I don't know, there's a lot of dust in here. But I've changed. I have a ninja moment, all black moment. If I get super, super cold, I like to put on this hoodie that it's just perfect because it's so short. I mean, I did tucked it in, but it kind of stays like this by its own. I don't need to do anything. This is my go-to because I cannot find hoodies as short as this, and it goes great with like dresses or high waist jeans. This is my warm jacket. I love this jacket, you guys. This is like putting like a warm blanket on top of you. Let's not forget about the essential of 2020 and apparently a little bit of 2021. This was the only one open, okay? No, I absolutely cannot take that and rip the pages off. That's what, like a Vogue? No, no, no. They don't have what I need in here. Alright, now that was interesting, but we couldn't find what we wanted. I don't know if you guys can see how beautiful. God, I love Paris. Got home. This is how cold it was. We're gonna get ready for our guests. I'm going to make guacamole. I bought tortillas and I'll probably prepare a charcuterie plate. But first, I gotta clean the table, play some music. I've got these two beautiful avocados. Perfect for my guacamole. Sure, today there are going to be places that are open. Yesterday we were looking everywhere around the city and we couldn't find any place where we could buy magazines. I have to admit I'm kind of late, and hopefully I'm going to at least start to put together the vision board, even if it's not going to be 100% ready. Having all the materials that I need is already a good step. Now let me show you. I'm wearing the same makeup as yesterday, except that today I've applied some eyeliner, brown one. I love eyeliner. And then I have three tops on because it's 0 degrees, so it's freezing outside. And I have some Zara jeans and these boots that are also from Zara. I love this coat so much. It's like incredibly lightweight. I don't know if you guys can tell the fabric. I could definitely close it, yeah. Like this. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I've been wearing this coat a lot, and it's very, very Parisian style. A little bit more masculine. Getting a pink mask to match my pink helmet. There are a few clouds, but the sun is shining. There are 3 degrees. Multi-Effect. We are done. Oh my god, how could you ever say no to this? My favorite crepe place in Paris. And these are the best caramels ever. And now we are gonna. Everybody's waiting for their cut. The best. And we got the baguette. American Vintage had sales and it was right next to that bright crepe place, so I couldn't help myself. I had to get in, and then this happened. This is how we turn on the fireplace. The truth is, this might work. Well, we didn't ask the owner. All right, now here are all the magazines that I got. Basically, what I need to do right now is to check out my journal, where I answered a few questions that are going to help me realize what my goals are, what I want to focus on. And depending on those goals that I want to achieve this year, or you know, my ultimate goal, I'm gonna find images that correspond to those things and put them on this. Now, I would take credit for Marianna's work, which I'm sure was hard work, if I would, you know, basically tell you exactly what she did in the podcast. So I strongly recommend you to go listen to the podcast because it gives you so much information. I have to stop this because it's already like 5 p.m. and I need to edit this vlog and upload it in a few hours. So I'm probably gonna stay up late to edit it. I'm definitely going to continue tomorrow with the vision board because, you know, it's Sunday. I'm gonna have a relaxing day, more of a creative moment. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Thank you so much for watching. Happy New Year again. 2021 is gonna be an amazing year. Bye.